So welcome to this lesson, The Science of Bitters. All diseases begin in the gut. A famous quote from Hippocrates, the importance of bitters for the gut. Throughout evolution, plants have evolved to produce toxins in order to avoid being eaten in their fight for survival, and many of these toxins were bitter to taste. We developed bitter taste buds to help us identify and avoid these toxic plants. So evolution has helped us understand plants that are toxic and plants that are safe. Bitter receptors are found throughout the body, not just in the mouth or in the tongue. They're also found in the stomach, the gut, liver, pancreas, lungs and vagus nerve, unlike other taste receptors. So over thousands of years, we've realized that some bitter plants had healing qualities in small doses, generally mixed with alcohol. However, many bitter plants are poisonous and should be avoided. Bitters have been used medicinally for thousands of years. Wormwood, for example, was found in Chinese rice wine dating from 1050 BC. So let's look at the plant chemistry. Medicinal plants contain different chemicals. Let's take a look at the most common bitter chemicals found in bitter plants. First, we're looking at flavonoids. Many herbs contain flavonoids, which are bitter. Flavonoids have been attributed to improved cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and anti-cancer effects. There are many types of flavonoids, most commonly associated with pigments that give berries their color. Volatile oils. When we break down the skin of a herb with volatile oils, you'll begin to smell the oil. For example, rosemary. Volatile oils help relieve digestive gases, relax spasms, and stimulate sluggish digestive system. E.g., taurine from wormwood is the volatile oil in wormwood. Alkaloids, also quite bitter. They're the most common compounds associated with bitter tastes, as many alkaloids are toxic. The plants that we are interested in that have medicinal benefits to contain these alkaloids include barberry, golden seal, Oregon grapefruit, and there are many more. Tannins, often associated with that dry, astringent taste on the tongue from red wine. They're mildly bitter and associated with the mouthfeel of some bitters found, for example, in red wine, as mentioned. Triterpenes found in juniper berries are mildly bitter and also found to support the immune system. Organic acids also found in many plants that are bitter, including rosemary, which is moderately bitter, which is linked to improved metabolism, blood sugar balance, weight loss, and improved gut health. Saponins are moderately bitter, have that soapy taste found in the likes of horse chestnut that help to improve digestion and treat obesity. Lactones found in dandelion are bitter, and they have found to help liver function and protect against cancer. Iridoids are found in gentian and are extremely bitter, the source of the taste in gentian, one of the strongest known bitters. They are anti-inflammatory and have many benefits. So in summary, nature's pharmacy, nature provides us with this wealth of chemicals, and in particular we're focusing on the chemicals that are bitter, that are contained in bitter herbs, that are hugely beneficial to our health. Some of these herbs are stronger than others, like gentian and wormwood, for example, being the strongest bitters, and you'll find out more about these as we go through the course. But there are milder bitters such as burdock root, dandelion and chamomile, for example. So that's just a brief introduction to the science behind bitter herbs, what we're drawing on nature's natural chemicals that evolved in order to protect the plants themselves from predators, so developing this bitter taste, poisonous, toxic taste. So bitters becomes associated with poisons. But over time, we've evolved to realize that some of these bitters, not all of them, but some of them in small doses, are hugely beneficial to our health. See you in the next lesson.